Hi mga friends! Bisa hindi ko pa friends! Another day, another vlog! While I was browsing my gallery, nakita ko itong video na to na matagal na pala. Ito yung mga panahon ng pandemic na nagsistay ako sa bahay for how many months na naka-work from home. So I have a lot of time working on my garden and taking care of my plants. And I just want to share this because of the realization that anything is possible if you have time, if you put effort into whatever you want or whatever task you are working on. Amazing, di ba? And while I am looking at this video, naalala ko kung gaano kahirap at gaano ka amount of time and pagod and effort na ibinigay ko dito just to have this garden look like this. Pero ngayon, wala na siya because I have no time and ang naiiwan na lang sa akin is this video. But it really doesn't matter. Ang importante ay nung mga panahon na yon ay iginugol ko lahat ng effort ko, lahat ng time ko to make a beautiful garden and hindi ako nagre-regret doon dahil I learned a lot from it. And ang pinaka-importante ay naging masaya ako. So yun lang. Babush na!